Alam mo ba na ang Cavite City na kinikilalang Land of the Brave ay hindi lang pang scenic at historical. Ito rin ay isang ideal location para sa mga first-time home buyer at seasonal property investors. Alam mo ba na ang mga housing project ni Dimitar Land sa Cavite ay 1 to 2 hours away lang from Metro Manila? Yes, tama ang narinig mo. One ride bus lang mula Cavite going to Parañaque Integrated Terminal Exchange or PITX na malapit sa SM Mall of Asia. At soon to rise naman na LRT1 Cavite Extension going to LRT Monumento to LRT Fernando Po Jr. Station. Bukod pa dyan ay ang ginagawang Bataan Cavite Interlink Bridge na kung saan ay 1 hour na lang ang biyahe mula Cavite going to Bataan. Napaka-accessible talaga at hindi ka na mamomroblema in terms of transportation. Kaya isa ang Cavite City sa mga fastest growing development province in Luzon. Perfect for those who want to live outside the chaos of Metro Manila and live in an established city with lots of amenities and also live in an accessible location. Look no further. Nandito ang Dimitar Land para sa iyo. We offer elegant and affordable reselling house and lot, perfect for every family, such as holiday homes located at Barangay Biklatan, General Trias, Cavite, Sugarland Estates located at Barangay Hugo Perez, 13 Martires, Cavite, Saddle and Clubs Leisure Park such as Flemington Fields located at Barangay Tres Cruces, Tansa, Cavite, and Del Mar Promenade located at Barangay Sabang, Naik, Cavite, and Windsor Heights located at Barangay San Francisco, Tagaytay, Cavite. Located strategically near these major establishments, Dimitar Land and Development Corporation ensures that everything you need is just a few minutes away with such amazing locations. Your investment in our houses shall definitely skyrocket in value. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Discover the beauty and convenience of Cavite City. Invest in your future. Buy a home at Dimitar Land. And let's turn your dream home into reality. Dahil dito sa Dimitar Land, you dream, we build, we make it happen.